What's up, people? My name's Noah. Haven't heard of me? Welcome to my house. So, yeah. It's empty. Dang it. Mr. Jeff let me an empty bottle. He should have gave me a full bottle. But he didn't. That's weird. So, hey everybody. If you haven't heard of me, I'm Noah. Okay. Let me just ring the doorbell. I don't know who that was, but it. Somebody's at the door. They're still at the door. Oh, it's my sister. Shut up! Emma, I know it's you! Stop it! I know it's you! Meet Jeff? Well, I call him Jeff, but I don't know if he's actually named Jeff. Meet Jeffrey. He's a cute one, isn't he? Well, he isn't. He's a fake guy. See, look. He would be like, he's a Mr. Fake. So, yeah. He's a Mr. Fake. Fakey boy. Don't mess with fake cats. They can still kill you. They can still kill you, okay? Don't mess with them. So, what's up, people? I don't know why I was just in the bathroom. Let's try and let there be light. That was no light at all. Okay, maybe this will help more. It's dark in here. Let there be light. It's still dark. Let there be light. Okay, there. That's much better. So, leave a like in the comment, give a thumb up, and subscribe to my channel. Please. I don't want to be lonely. Please. I don't want to be lonely. Like the rest of those people out there that do YouTube. And I'm one of them. So, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below what should I do next. I might do some gameplay of Call of Duty. Yeah. Okay. Goodbye, people of the world.